everyone. Hope each one of you is doing good. And today's tutorial will be how to make sparkling bottles. And for this you can take a glass bottle and some glass colors and 3D liner and a jute thread. So I have taken a clean glass bottle and I am giving a base coat of grey color. It can be gesso or it can be chalk paint, and it can be a texture paste. Whatever you want, as per your choice, you can give a coating of it. For this bottle I am not painting the entire bottle. I am just dabbing it using sponge on opposite sides of the bottle. Okay, and the remaining two sides, I'm painting two sides of the bottle with gesso and two sides will be plain, so that I can use my glass colors. So for this I have taken 1 teaspoon of talcum powder and 2 teaspoons of Fevicol and the black color, little bit of black color and a white color, and I have mixed it and I added little water to make it a little liquid so that I can dab it over the bottle. It is easy to dab it on the bottle using sponge. So this I have prepared and I am using it. So it is up to you, if you have ready made gesso also you can use. So now once after painting, I am also painting around the neck of the bottle, and once it is dried, then I'll be taking a 3D liner, and using 3D liner you can take any color of 3D liner. I have taken a gold color, gold metallic color, and I will be making some pattern. Now my base coat on two sides is completed. The remaining two sides will be using the 3D outliner as well as the glass colors. So once it is dried up, okay, we can give, if you want you can give another base coat, otherwise you can have a single coat also. If double coat it will be thick layered, and if it is a single coat it is little transparent. So now I'll be using a 3D liner to make a pattern on the plain glass. So right now I have done already using 3D liner brick design. You can do with any sort of design like bubbles, like simple circles or heart shapes. Okay, so now I'm using the glass colors. So I'm, as well as I'm using a q-tip or a cotton bud. So whenever there is a bubbles while doing the glass coloring, you can just burst the bubbles with the using the cotton tip, so that you will have a uniform texture of glass colors. So now right now I am just using different glass colors and filling the brick pattern. You can use multiple colors so that it looks very colorful, and when you use lights it gives a colorful look. Okay, and it is, and they give a transparent look. Now I am using the glass colors, and you can directly paint with the directly with the nozzle of the bottle. So I am not using any brush. If you want you can use a brush also. Just spread with the bottle as how I am doing, so that it is easy, and wherever you feel if there is a bubble you just burst the bubble with a q-tip. So so once you finish filling the glass colors, you just keep it for drying in a dust free zone, so that no dust is absorbed by the colors, and you will have a nice transparent look. And once it is dried up you can keep for a day, and the next day you can just color the other side of the bottle similarly. Like first you give a 3D liner outline of any pattern, the same pattern also you can follow, or you can do some other pattern also, it's fine as per your choice. So once it is dried up, it will take 1 or 2 hours, then again you fill the pattern with the glass colors. So once the bottle is completely dried up, you can have a jute thread, any colored jute thread or wool, anything, and you can just wrap around the neck of the bottle, and it looks very good. And then once the bottle is ready, you can also have the cork string lights, LED lights, which you will get in Amazon, and you can just insert the lights in the bottle and just you can switch on, so it looks uh, very good, and it gives a very sparkling lights. This is how you make the sparkling bottles.